dear students. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Samina Akhter, Assistant Teacher of English of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take an English language class for the students of class 4, and today's topic is conversation of tense. Conversation of tense. So this is your lecture number 8, and you have HW, which is number 7. This is my mobile number. Okay, so look here, I have written some sentences and you will have to change them into according to the given direction. Okay, so conversion of tense means that we have to change the given sentence according to the instruction. So look the question, change the following sentence according to the direction given in the brackets. Okay, so here number 1, I eat rice. So this sentence is in present indefinite and we have to change it into past indefinite. So let's change it. So to change it, we have to first write the subject, then the past form of verb, which is ate. Okay, then the rest of the sentence, rice. I ate rice. Okay, so number 2, you have read a book. Okay, this sentence is a present perfect tense, so we have to make it past continuous. So to make it past continuous, first we have to write subject, then was or were. You know that in the structure of past continuous you have to write was or were according to the subject. So as it is you have to write were. You were, then verb along with ing, reading. You were reading a book. Okay, so you were reading a book. This is the past continuous form of this sentence. So number 3, he is cutting wood. Okay, so here this sentence is in present continuous. You can see the structure of present continuous there, subject plus is plus verb with ing, then extension. So to make it future indefinite, we have to write subject, then will or shall. So with he we will write will, then cut, which is the base form of verb, then would. Okay, he will cut wood. So this is the future indefinite form of this sentence, he is cutting wood. Number 4, they swim in the pond. Okay, this sentence is again in present indefinite tense and we have to make it present continuous. So to make it present continuous, we will write the subject first, then are. Okay, you know that in present continuous the structure is subject plus am, is or are, and then verb with ing, and then the extension. So according to this subject you have to write are, and then subject with ing. They are swimming in the pond. Okay, then number 5, I see a bird. Okay, you have to make it past perfect. It is given present indefinite again, and we have to make it past perfect. You know that the past perfect in past perfect tense, the structure is subject plus had, and then then the past participle form of verb. So I had seen a bird. I had seen a bird. Then number 6. I shall buy a book. Okay, this is a future indefinite tense, this sentence, and we have to make it present perfect. Okay, so you know that in present perfect you have to write subject plus have or has, then the past participle form of verb. So write subject I, then according to the subject you have to write have. I have, then the past participle form of buy, which is bought. I have bought a book. I have bought a book. So this is the past perfect form of this sentence. Okay, now go to the number 7. He is going. Okay, so this is a present continuous tense and sentence, so you have to make it future continuous. So first write subject. Okay, so in future continuous you have to write he will be or shall be. So as here is he, you will write will be. He will be going. Okay, verb with ing. Then number 8. It is raining for 2 hours. Okay, so it is here present continuous tense. To make it present perfect continuous, we have to write it has been. It has been raining for 2 hours. Okay, so the structure is it subject, then has been. Here according to the subject, here you will use has been. Okay, then verb plus ing. Raining, then extension for 2 hours. Number 9. He plays football. So this is a present indefinite tense sentence, so you have to make it present perfect tense. So as the structure you have to write subject plus has, have or has, and then the past participle form of verb. So according to the subject you have to write has. Then played. Played is the past participle form of play. He has played football. Okay, number 10. They will catch fish. So this is a future indefinite tense and you have to make it past indefinite. So obviously first subject, then the past in past indefinite you just have to write the past form of verb. So the past form of verb is caught. The past form of catch is caught. So they caught fish. Okay, so this is it. Look, I am repeating again. Number 1, I eat rice. Past indefinite is I ate rice. Number 2, you have read a book, and its past continuous form is you were reading a book. Then number 3, he is cutting wood, and its future indefinite form is he will cut wood. Then number 4, they swim in the pond, and its present continuous form is they are swimming in the pond. 5, Number, I see a bird, and its past perfect form is I had seen a bird. Then number 6, I shall buy a book, and its present perfect form is I have bought a book. Number 7, he is going, and its future continuous form is he will be going. Number 8, it is raining for 2 hours, and its present perfect continuous form is it has been raining for 2 hours. Number 9, he plays football, and its present perfect form is he has played football. Number 10, they will catch fish, and its past indefinite form is they caught fish. So these 10 sentences you have to practice, and you have HW from number 11 to 15, these 5 sentences. I am going to read it out. The boy finished his homework. The boy finished his homework. This is future, you have to make it future perfect. Okay. Number 12, Lipi has been sleeping for 3 hours, and you have to make it past perfect continuous. Number 13, I learned English. So you have to make it present indefinite. Number 14, we are watching a movie. So you have to make it past continuous. Number 15, the child has drawn a picture, and you have to make it future indefinite. Okay, so you can get help from your book. You have to change these sentences according to the direction here. So I hope you have understood this lesson well, and I hope you will do the SW correctly. So see you in the next class. Goodbye.